don't take shortcuts. I had a former boss of mine. One of her favorite sayings was, "You need to go slow to go fast." And oftentimes, if you take the right steps in planning, really take a step back, make sure you do it well. That'll enable long-term success and enable you to go faster down the road. And this is a prime example. In today's world, we're all under a lot of time pressures. We have faster deadlines than ever. Especially tying back in the previous comments about all the new OEMs. First to market. First person to have the longer range battery. First person to bring a new technology. That's very important, more so now than ever. You can take a lot of shortcuts, and as it relates to quality, a poor decision, taking the wrong kind of study, cutting a corner here or there, is going to have a really significant detrimental effect down the road. And so just can't emphasize enough. Please take your time, do it right the first time, even though it might take you a little bit longer or cost you a little bit more, because in the long term, it'll save in the end.